Texla, the city of Punjab, is famous for its archaeological excavations. The correct answer is A. Archaeological excavations. Zurich is an important city of Switzerland. Pentagon is the headquarters of US Army. Camp David is located in USA. It gained fame due to an agreement which was signed by Israel and Egypt in the year of 1979. Hollywood, USA is famous for its film industry. Which place is a famous resort for tourism? Honolulu. Which place gained fame during French Revolution in 1789? Bastille. Which place produces petroleum on large scale? Kirkuk. Amman is a famous city and capital of Jordan. Which city is located in Iraq? Babylon. Which place is the headquarters of LTTE? Jaffna. Which place is not in India? Texla. Shimla, famous for Shimla Agreement, is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Al-Aqsa Mosque is in Jerusalem. Moscow is situated on the bank of river Moskva. Famous film industry center Hollywood is in USA. Name the Russian news agency. Interfax. The capital and important seaport of Hawaii Islands is Honolulu. Khartoum is located on the bank of river Nile. Agra, India is famous for Taj Mahal.